Hi, my name is Timothy. I'm the team manager. I have two other teammates, Huey Bowie and Zachary White. This is our toolkit. This toolkit contains information about climate change, carbon footprints, pollution, and renewable energy. This toolkit will help teenagers and high school students learn more about those topics. In our toolkit, we have our introduction, our base, where you can find out all the links and the servers and assignments that we have for you. For example, here we have our energy and renewable energy slideshow that gives you all the information on it. So we break down what energy is and what renewable energy is and how you can use that to help the environment. Then we have climate change, including our PSAs from this school year. Then you have our carbon footprinting slideshow. Okay, now we have a resource library. This library contains information on our projects through the school year and more information on the topics. So here we have our energy. We have solar power, bike path solar map. Then we have the climate change. These go in depth with climate change. Then we have our carbon footprint. Then our pollution. And then we have a project called the Key Players of Environmental Engineering.